Abusiafo me mo bibia kwaba de ba Gen CN page so meeting e de adwoa searchim. Ora kwaku Anyidoho, former Deputy General Secretary de ma NDC Amayokuo no onanso e na oye CEO and founder of Atamils Memorial Institute. Na ora kwaku Anyidoho wa ya de bia enwawa. Na ye de ora kwaku Anyidoho eye no e na ye bisa se aden ayem bia one omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama omo ewo issues anase ensem bi ekoso ewo omo entemana na ni na ene se owura kwaku Anyidoho ekoye interview ewo NIT FM meman sujumedie so na no na omo ebisa owura kwaku Anyidoho se mpempre ye ewo mi one omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama omo entem te say na the way owura kwaku Anyidoho e ka kire presenter ne se on skip asem na o ka no eye nwanwa na ensem no emu enchiremu ni owura kwaku Anyidoho se nka ye ka NDC fo mpanifo a omo eduakoten e wo party ni mu aka ye ntumi enyi ni enfim ye be ka ya eye omanpani dada wanya ne baby ko na owura kwaku Anyidoho ene no ye free papa omo entem ente kire se o ne no na eye adwuma enya asem keto akra nti se ye ka NDC fo mpanifo anka owura kwaku Anyidoho e ka ho afenso why Deputy General Secretary e de ama party no eda na the way owura kwaku Anyidoho why no na e de questions bi abren ye bisa se ade NDC party no eden anase ensemben na ekoso ewo na owura kwaku Anyidoho ni semu na okase NDC party ni mu mpanifo no ebi mo pre papa ebi mo pray ebi mo yam huni papa ebi mo keke ensem wo mo keke ho enya kra owura kwaku Anyidoho e kire se sisi no no onipa wa bia e wo party ni mu e na on sheda any position bia wo party ni mu ti okasa party for mpanifo no mo emfa omo empa na sem omo ni no e wo wanchi enti on the party ni ya de obakasa mo party ni bi okra on fa ho kra enti sisi na mpanifo mo party mo fa party no embo mo bo omo na NDC party no eyo omo dia omo fa nye de omo be ye omo nsi de poso no omo enwe ono de mfa no ho kra na o kire se abra na one omanpani dada eye adwuma no na nkofu bi ewo wonase se owura kwaku Anyidoho do ye sei na nda wa ye sei o kire wa ye sei o kire se wa abra kra ewo party ni mu na ne nsem kekemu na presenter no ebisa ne se ntisie eye omo flag bearer omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama omo entemti se na no na owura kwaku Anyidoho eche se ha wanya ma me kana se mo ne yendi ye nkomo na me de papa ne de me person metina sem kra na ade a owura kwaku Anyidoho ye ne se Mami a ubisa question is skip na yenkwa ya ni na me pese me ka bibia na eche bia modimi din akọ na yenti nsem a owura kwaku Anyidoho ebe etodwa
on person. And that when I was executive, and that was part of my crime, mommy. That when I was an executive, I kept saying that, colleagues, let's be careful. It is obvious who will win, but do we have to openly do it and seem as if we are against the other contestants? And anti-social and so, anti-social and so. But a Drew, so no, this my anti-social and so was what came to save you on that primaries. And I served well. And that was the primaries that elected President Mahama as our flag bearer. Mommy, my way in and you seek to embarrass me at the police headquarters. Why?
Embarrass yapa.
Master, mommy, why should somebody seek to embarrass you and toy for your integrity? And the person is doing it with joy and glee. So, mommy, there are people at the headquarters who have locus. Let them do what we used to do when we had locus. I have not left the NDC, but just like medical doctors, pharmacists, lawyers who belong to the NDC MPP are allowed to go and do their everyday job. Today my everyday job is the Atamils Institute. That's as simple as that. And nobody will stop me from pursuing my everyday job.
Only former anase mo leader for now. Only in terms.
Skip.
I was about mighty and I was so egua wuti no yera kwaku Anyidoho kaneno na or your Deputy General Secretary or NDC Amayokuo. They say only a CEO and founder of Atamils Memorial Institute.
So far as that parliament has not been officially dissolved, the position no omakotena no omunni kwan se omotena ho because Parliament officially has not dissolved. Ghana Mrano, the 1992 Constitution now has standing orders of Parliament and so on. Clearly, Emra, Ombetimia say Parliament, 7th Parliament, and dissolve officially. He said, no, do me no abo. Apart from that, the intermaker of Moncontania and say, Parliament, ye baby, ye shemra. And I'm saying, baby, ye shemra, and penny for ye or more. Omo interpreted and answer omo pension ye mremuno. Omo ka samwa. Yen na wasi a shasi disuma timemufono so ede. Edisubi. If you say ne anche, ana asen north. Inyanti say a high court judge has ruled. Say a ye asen north MP. Yesweni ina enye ye. What it means is that he does not qualify to call himself a member of parliament elect. If he say okuta a ye ada allegiances to other countries. Now the baby son say High Court ebua sa semi says and you chase NDC for 137 says what you, because we are a house and as a chamber yen ye beyambra and this ye know if you are not seen say mrana nka se be this one na say ya sefem and you know ocean numbers no, it does not make any mathematical sense for NDC to say occupy the seat of the majority. But we know no woman say Ansani be Speaker of Parliament. The standing orders of Parliament at say in the absence of a speaker, and as ye speaker, the otra the clerk of Parliament. I am hoping that some amount of declarations will have to be made and our pronunciations will have to be made by the clerk or order the marshal me who baby no Canada. Be that as it may. Say I'm calling Sampa. And I'm see ebe to aba for speakership in Intino. Ye to aba ye be hunu domwa okuta eye numbers and also okuta dodo. And until ye be to aba na wi ne hu domwa na akire pefe. Say no kre. MPP amanyoku ye na MP say what parliament ye does one. And in any case, if anybody says oh independent candidate overtly and ask what about bontia ka say ni moja ye blue. And for that matter, at all times, Obe support the New Patriotic Party. Indeed, this is a man aware now. So Obe tina baby MPP form pons ye de etie. Into usher numbers no, it does not make any mathematical sense for them to start calling themselves majority leader and majority chiefship. It is unconstitutional. It is un-Ghanaian for them to come early and say Soma Kotina baby a majority for now when Parliament has not officially dissolved. Sabia omoteno eye sebe MPP4 Omotibia because Parliament Ninyanya Day and Coleno off. And it is un-Ghanaian for them to do that. No credit do. The maybe I'm a Hoya strategic speaker. I speaker who say yes. Or my Nipaso Mede. I say, who be a new mobile? You also the cover house. I say, I could have a best school now. Pray. A Jumano, Yedikan, Essia. Yedikan boy, who said that scene in Yanko Poya Domoa, Yababa Ababijina, a yeta for one. And Yabobo and Wesley to represent the good people of Old Tafo constituency. Empire Yabohane say, a year Diasua Old Tafo Fosu. Yabeshemra, Sada Sono. Between making sure say beba ayem right beshemo policy considerations are ye of parliament and so no ye Old Tafo constituency or moda yeso no ye behwe amanaba say the be mpuntu ye Old Tafo constituency benya nti kwa na udin si ho oti ni fa na ati benku oh say baby a Yanum Edikan Botany. So beat to Wakunya, or no beat to Wakunya, into Magobia Makunya. So, no, because you want to hear then any pan sorry. Only pan so I am so sorry. Which age in a hair? I see a Kujina, a baby a minority for one. I have Cotanaho. Tia chain, say Clark be make pronunciation, Naka Cotana baby or set. Mamma was say, I was for. Vincent Echo Asifuani and Nathan Comono, and Mashebejania, where you know for Emma Tafo Abato and Pesaso, and Yeneno Acasano. So Utima Nature said, Akunyano Biatino Biakunyaso.
obi atena obi akonwa so efi se ebi di kan enna na mi bisa onuyafo tela bi se ye mfa din sisi ho no mo e ma ne kan bi se edin a ye de sisi ho se de yo won de ni onima se na obi atumi tena ba bi a ope eso ne yakoba han se obi atena obi akonwa so eti ye bebo modern ni ahwe se Vincent Asifu na se mo kan obi atena akonwa so nti ogina kire twen Nadia never coso a woman, Shabedjo Massey, Minimia, Abednago Santiasi do, Yawo Hassay, Ya Yesha say, Yanim Penifoni be a veteran and como, Ma Yanko, na ye new Munyan for Joseph Kujo, also ni Sitino, secured, a fear, and now Okan Wabo, Heneka constituency, a fear constituency. Honorable official.
I think commercial.
What were your baby out here?
I think a year to hand, see me caution.
Now I couldn't have a holiday.
I feel over my Henegua or 8 parliament nemo.
7 parliament, you know. I just say a cacrana, ye no train, or quite baby at that than now.
I was 7th parliament, baby. I met none. A honor makers, but my today a incrofono abetna. A papa nembana betna a
Papa Bema.
Papa no nembana betna in a name or
Because Cabem and one was over can say, a quack me dabre, a beer call, be so coin, obit in a coin so. Auntie, more baying us, and baby, I'm on chess and more co baby and I'm that there was why am
I back and then said a land is confusion. And see what the Bafia in there so, or you won't. Waka question majority are name. But me give them more.